What is Favicon? Favicon is a small image that displayed next to the page title. Look at this image, and I recommend your image must be 93 by 93. Let's make this. Let's add an image as our favicon. The first we have to write link. After that we have to write relationship, because this is icon and we have to write in relationship icon. After that we have to write the type of our image slash the type of your image. My type of our image is PNG. And after that we have to specify the image destination. Let's close the tag. Let's save it. After that refresh our page. Look, this is Favicon. I hope you understand this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our video.